In this video I have a 2015 Mazda 3 sedan, and I'm going to show you where the standard toolkit, jack and jacking points are in the car. So we're going to open up the boot fully, look inside on the right hand side of the boot, and you'll notice this black plastic cover. We're going to undo those two clips and that exposes our jack. So we're going to undo this T-bolt fully so we can take our jack out. So that's our jack, and I'm just going to go ahead, put that on the floor, and then if the toolkit isn't in here, then we want to look inside our spare wheel. So this is where the toolkit is here. So I'm just going to take that out in this leather pouch, and I'm going to put that around the side of the car. So just to show you inside the toolkit, we have our tyre iron for undoing the wheel bolts, but that actually doubles up as a handle for our jack. And then you've also got this link bar, which the hook goes through your jack like that, and then I'll show you how the handle fits in a second. But next we're going to look for our jacking points. Now if you look down low on the car, you'll actually notice this rib here. Now there's two ribs sticking out, they're there. And then up the front you can see it as well, exactly the same place. You got two ribs, and that is where we're actually going to put our jack between. So just to show you that, we're going to start winding our jack up. So there we go, you can actually see I've got the jack in between those two ribs. Now it's always important when you're jacking the car to make sure the handbrake's on and the vehicle is in park. But I'm just going to show you how to actually operate the jack using the levers now. So there we go, what we're going to do is actually put our hook through the loop there, and you're going to put the tyre iron through like a lever like that. We can just go ahead and wind that all the way up. And now you can safely change your wheel. It's also worth mentioning that it's worth slightly undoing your bolts with the wheel on the ground before you jack it up if you are changing the wheel. And then to take the jack down, you just do exactly the same but in reverse. Just turn it anti-clockwise, and do remember to put your jack and toolkit back in the car in case you get caught out again. So there we go, I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.